Akihabara, and we just walked over 40 minutes to get to what they call the vending machine alleyway. So I've already been here a few days, and I've been to a lot of vending machines. We've been to so many. I've been using them a lot. They're like literally on every single corner here. Okay, so we just landed, and this is the first vending machine that we've came across. They have Pringles, Kit Kats. This one's just a snack one, but they have calorie mix. I didn't know this was a real food because this was from Metal Gear. This is what you would eat. And these look like gum, mints, juice boxes, snacks. You know, this one's not too crazy. You can also get espresso. So there's a couple here. I really want an ice cream. I want everything. You can get fancy Welch's grape juice. You can get fancy Sprite. Ooh, Coca-Cola Plus. Oh wait, no, these aren't even what the drinks are. They're just like fake plastic ones. They're not real drinks. It's like a half a drink. Look, it's like a plastic mold of half the drink. You can get milk tea. I want some coffee right now. First vending machine purchase. Ooh, everything lights up and then you get to pick. Okay, I'll get you the Sprite. It's the most pristine Sprite I've ever seen.
It's still good though.
Healthy Sprite.
I'm not here for healthy Sprite.
So we were just walking into some neighborhood, and then we see this really weird vending machine that's all graffiti, and it just said vegan diet. And I'm like, whoa, you saw vegan food in a vending machine? But it's earrings. Vegans don't eat earrings, they eat grass. Everybody knows that. So I'm actually buying several things from vending machines every single day just because they're so convenient. Like every single street corner has so many vending machines and all of them are different. Lemon, squash. Oh, this is for you. It's a strawberry milk.
Oh, is it really?
Look at this. You haven't had the strawberry. Is it milk? It looks like milk. I don't know
what it is. I'm kind of scared to get it.
Oh, you can get a caramel latte or a whitey latte or a Welch's green. I have a plain old boring water. This is got the cutest little strawberry drink. I want to try it. The little strawberry can.
Strawberry soda?
No.
What is it?
It's milk.
Oh, is it milk? The strawberry milk?
But it's not very sweet. Yes, no, maybe so. There's nothing.
It's not as sweet as 7-Eleven's, but still strawberry milk.
Yeah. The connoisseur of strawberry milk.
This has been my favorite drink since coming to Japan, is strawberry milk.
Yeah. Now we found the big kahuna of like really weird special vending machines. I guess we're just gonna like go through it right now, and I wanted to show you. So these are some of the most unique, crazy vending machines in Japan. We get them coins out. I got a whole entire coin section of my bag. Oh, look at all that money. See, these are just regular, wait, whoa, can you get like a meatball soup? It's not meatball, but like, I don't know, what is that? 390 yen. That looks very interesting. It's got noodles in it too, and maybe meat. So every vending machine here is different. Like I feel like depending on the area, some have coffee, some have juice, some have corn soup. A lot of them have coffee, so this one has like mostly coffee. Oh, look, a monster. This is the first time I've seen a monster in a vending machine. Oh my god, so the vending machines, even though it's in the same vending machine, you can get some of the things warm and some of the things cold, depending on how it's meant to be served. Oh, like look over here. We have the corn soup, which I feel like I should try because it sounds disgusting, but it's such a thing. We're gonna try the corn soup. Do I dare? Oh no, they're out of corn soup!
Maybe it's just that popular.
That's literally the one thing I wanted and they're out of it. Give me my money back. I want it back. I put 150 and it gives me 100. Wow. It's like in games when you buy something and then you sell it back to them for half. Let's go in here. It's like a little alley thing. Whoa. This one's the mummy machine. I wonder if I could just stick my hand in here. Give me some clam chowder. Whatever this is. I don't know what this is. Look at this one. I have no idea what's in here. It's hard to see with the glare. Wow, that's one shiny reflective vending machine that I want you recording these. You could get a pot of gold straight out of the leprechaun's booty hole.
Oh, you stole me pots of gold, did you? And put it in a vending machine.
Yeah, there's a lot of them in there. Those leprechauns got did dirty. What is this thing? Hot eel. I want to know what that is, so I might get that. It's almost $5. You could get a thing of marbles. That seems so random. And then a big kahuna thing. I want to know what these boxes are. Are they food? Are they like surprise boxes? $15 for something in a vending machine?
Look, and what's that bear thing right there?
There's bear juice. You get a can of lychee. Whoa, is that like Himalayan salt rock? Is that what it is? Nectar juice. I really want to know what this is. This dude is eating in front of a dog. Share with the dog. He's starving. Look at him. He's so hungry. He's so badly drawn. We got maybe yuzu or lemonade. Extreme blend of coffee. I like the shape of these coffee cans. I really want to know what that bear juice is. I'm gonna need more money for this. I'm gonna put all of my coins in this one and see how much they equal out.
Oh my gosh.
Because I have a lot of coins. I need to get rid of them. Oh no, they're just coming back out. Does this one not work? So it doesn't want the little ones. It only wants the big ones. Oh, it doesn't want 100. Wait, some coins aren't working. Some just don't work. Why am I having such a hard time with this? Just take my money. Literally one job and you ain't doing it right. Man, this vending machine sucks. Maybe if I give it a quarter, it'll work.
Like an actual quarter?
Yeah.
Why do you have an actual quarter on it?
I don't know.
I think it would do.
The quarter?
Yeah. I didn't hear it come out. Did it come out?
Yeah, it came out.
Oh, I thought it
It's like delicious American money. Okay, so it's really picky about my coins. So I think we're just gonna get the box.
Get the box. If you can get the box, get the box.
Should I get 27 or 29? Or there's a cheaper box too. Should I get the most expensive box or the cheaper box?
The most expensive.
The most expensive. 27. Give it to me. It's taking it. Give me my mystery box. Oh, give it to me. It's cold. Please be food. It's like a present. Oh, these are mystery. Oh my god, I got
Wow.
like a 4-stack of Kit Kat. Is that what it is? Just a 4-stack of Kit Kat? I can't even eat these. They're not gluten free. Itadakimasu. Wow. All that hoopla for some Kit Kat. Okay, I still have some money. I can't afford anything else here.
You can get that. You can get the dog juice thing.
I get the dog juice. 13. Lucky 13 dog juice. Wow. Is it food or is it a drink? We'll finally find out. It's cold. So this is the dog juice. Is it dog food? Wow, what if it's dog food?
You're about to find. It's not like you haven't eaten it before.
This is dog food.
No, it's not.
It's gotta be.
Is it really dog food?
It smells like dog food.
Try it.
That's dog food.
Try it.
That's dog food.
I guarantee you dog food in Japan is better than what we get in America. Did you really?
You literally just told me to. I think you're gonna get mad at me for.
If you, how about that? If you try it, I'll try it.
No, I don't like it. That's really nice, fancy dog food in a can. That's very fancy. The day is ruined. I'm gonna put it down for some dog food if anybody wants it. Whoa, look, you can get moose snacks, coconut milk. You can get marbles.
What's moose snacks?
Moose snacks. Look, it's milk chocolate, but it's got a cow on it, so they're moose snacks. You can get Wakanda coffee. Whoa, I didn't even see this one behind me. You can get chip stairs, little jams, and marbles. These are like kids' toys. These things are really popular. Beetles. But I thought they were, I looked this up online and I thought they were real beetles. They're fake beetles. It's a lie. You can even buy a charger. Battery charger, grapefruit juice, soup. So basically there's a ton of stuff that you can get. Come on, man. So there's a handful of other vending machines in here. It's kind of the same thing. It's just a bunch of mystery boxes and then this one's like kids' toys. I don't think you guys understand how small this is. This is my foot. Only one person will fit in here. Oh no! Stuck like a duck. Oh no! It's too crowded in here. Please leave.
No,
You're too big for this place. Okay, this one is like cookies, milk, some kids' toys at the bottom. We got some kids' toys up top. There's like a rundown popcorn machine. We got some more gold stolen from the leprechauns. Doggy food. Well, now we know that's doggy food. Mystery box soup. Okay, I want to try the popcorn one.
Now thinking about it, why is he eating it?
Ew! Everybody just leaves their trash here. There aren't really any trash cans in Japan, so there's kind of only trash cans around some of the vending machines, but otherwise there's not really any trash here, so you have to like hold on to your trash. This one looks fancy. This one's mostly coffee. You can get canned escargot. Snails in a can. It's like snakes on a plane, but snails on a can.
Now that's what we call snail mail.
Ew. Actually, escargot's pretty good. I want to try those chip stars.
I think those are their Pringles.
Yeah, it's like Pringles. There's canned carrots. This one's just chilling in the corner. We got more. Oh my god, are those white potato chips or is this just a really old can? I have to buy this. There's beetles. I don't know what this is. This is a mystery meat. Canned carrots. How convenient. Ginger ale and mixing grapefruit. Ooh, okay. I did not know what these. Oh, straight tea. It even says. I'm going to get the potato chips that are white. Oh, they might be sold out. I don't know why my coins they don't work. They take only the finest of coins. I'm taking them. Can you give me my potato chips? Give me my potato chips. Oh, I got it, and it spit my coin right out on the ground. Wow.
Take your chips.
Wow, it literally spit out my coins on the floor. Ugh, it feels great. Wow, it's just literally discolored. This is the sketchiest thing of potato chips I've ever seen. I need a refund. This is what I thought I was gonna get. This is what I got. It's like somebody took the top off and just sealed it back together. What? That's sketchy. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I wanted white potato chips. I got regular potato chips. I feel scared. So you open them from the bottom. Ugh. Oh, this is so small. These are tiny Pringles. Oh, they are kind of white. Wow. Do they look old and stale?
Do they feel?
Should I eat one?
Try one. I did not hear that satisfying crunch you get when biting a chip.
I don't like it. Look, they're all just discolored, so they look white. You can get a train toy. You can get lemon flavored potato chips. Spaghetti in a can. Spaghetti in a can. This is what I've been waiting for. The popcorn vending machine. 24 hours. You can get popcorn. It just dropped the cup. It put my cup in the microwave. Now it's going. I hate the reflection. You can't you can barely see it. But basically it's in there. It's microwaving my popcorn. I hear the pops. It smells like butter. I think I got the buttery flavor. You see that? Oh, and it lights up when it's done. Oh. Can you give it to me, please? Please give it to me. What is this? I don't want to eat this. And you get a nice, cute little cup of popcorn. It's very hot. Taste test.
It's crunchy.
It does not taste very good. It's popcorn, so I'm eating it.
Is it buttery?
No.
Is it salty?
It's a little salty. Try it.
That's disappointing.
This is the saddest cup of popcorn I've ever had.
Several days later.
So this whole store, there's nobody here, but it's just a bunch of vending machines. So they're all just pins? So we're at the train station and we've come across the glorious ice cream vending machine again. There's 17 ice cream. Must be at least 17 years old to eat this ice cream. Which one?
Either
This one.
swirly
Yes.
or the swirly. What is this?
That one looks like it has cake in it.
This is soda.
Strawberry
Soda
layer.
swirly. Soda swirly.
Oh, there's a soda. I hope it's cream soda.
Or this one.
That's mint chocolate. The mint chocolate chip here is blue. It's like a teal. I like this one, the strawberry
That
one.
was
And then
pink.
we'll get that one too. Let's get both of them.
Okay.
Okay, so you use your train card and you can get it. So let's get this one. It's so cold outside and we're eating ice cream. Strawberry smells so good. This is what they look like. I cannot push it out. Oh, you unwrap it. It's like lemon. It's like Sprite. If Sprite was an ice cream, that's delicious. Now let me try the strawberry. They're so hard to rip open. The strawberry is so good. The strawberry part is just like a strawberry white chocolate. This tastes like something from my childhood and I love it so much. Oh my god, we just stumbled upon this walking in Akihabara. There are vending machines with anime figures. We got these. We got ones I cannot show. 24-hour figures. But also, you can buy girls' phone numbers in here. Y'all want her phone number? Y'all better pay up. But would it actually be her real number? Well, I guess we'll never know. Oh my god, we got Yu-Gi-Oh cards and Pokemon cards. What is this one? Wait, what kind of vending machine is this?
I think those are DVDs.
It's just a row of them. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be uploading a lot more Japan videos on this channel and my second channel, Little Leah. So make sure you check those out. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button on the face. And make sure you turn on notifications. Click, and subscribe to the Wolfpack. Oh, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.